This is our 1979 Cape Dory Intrepid. This is a 1 of 5 hull.
Added a swim platform or tiny sugar scoop to the back just to have a little easier dinghy loading and unloading. It has a folding prop. Still works great. Nice and loose. A lot of the top side has already been faired, or it's all been faired, but a lot of it's already been primed. And varnish work has been about half done, I would say. I made new cushions to update the look a little bit. I haven't put the Velcro on the back yet to attach it. But this comes up so that you get a deeper sleeping area. And the whole bed slides out to make it double wide. Then you can put this down. It makes it a really good sized bunk. It does have a propane stove. We've replaced 4 of the hatches, or the port lights, to make them bigger. The originals were that size, so nice to have a little bigger area. Installed all LED lights. I think they're all LED. We replaced bulbs, put in new overhead lights. There's the head. It's a wet head, so you shower right in there. The V-berth is nice. I'm storing cushions in there right now though, so it's a bit of a mess.
Redid some of the floor just so you can see what it can come back to. I started doing a section back here too. And this is all redone. I just papered it so that it didn't get ruined again. Not sure if you can tell, but this has all been primed. Those have been done, varnished. Any of the hatches, parts you see that are missing are actually down below over there. They've been pulled off so they could be primed easier. Let's see the mast there. The mast was replaced in, I think, 2007, because a lot of the parts of the boat are much newer than the boat itself. Main winches are self-tailing, variant 27. Really good condition. Been greased, redone. There's isinglass, there's spinnaker, bunch of sails. Most of the sails were replaced in 2007, between 2000 and 2007 also. I think that's a Jenniker maybe. And here's a bunch of the pieces that have already been redone. Just kind of set aside as I varnished pieces off. Beast of a mantis anchor there. I also took the rear seat, which is just a normal flat one. We built it up so that it's a little more comfortable seating, helm position, so you can see up over the house easier. And then on a lean, you kind of get a side angle so you can be comfortable no matter which way it's leaning. Not sure if you can tell, but it's been faired, sanded, ready for priming. Those are a couple spots. Looked like it had maybe a hard docking here. It was a little crazing, so I ground it out, reglassed it, got it so it's nice and solid again. There's another little one back here, but the crazing was a little wider, so I redid it, primed it. There's the stainless bow rail. there. Here's the house top grab rails. They both had cracks, so this one's been kind of mostly redone, and then we filled the hell out of it with epoxy. This one has not been redone, and we filled it with epoxy.
Getting ready to put some primer on. Done a couple of test spots before. Make sure it fills in the really minor crazing. See how she comes out.
Alright, we got a coat on a decent chunk. Well, pretty good. We're using dark gray primer because the end hull color is going to be navy blue or flag blue, I think it is. So, yeah, most of one side done. Alright, we're spending a good part of the day today sanding. So, I'm getting the boat. We've patched a couple of dings. And I've been sanding for a few hours, and we got it about another, I don't know, quarter of the boat is ready for primer. So, it never ends.